That got crazy.
Oh, same.
Oh.
It's kind of hard to play though, to be honest. Like if it's lag like this the whole time.
Right.
I don't know if it's like
Because
more.
you don't know who we killed or not.
Right. So it's hard to play this game. It's lagging again.
I think it's when we use rockets.
I'll probably. Yeah.
Yep, they're just.
Oh.
They're not moving.
Yeah. I don't know if I think we should play this game like for a while because it's
It's a big. It needs some updates for sure.
Yeah. At least I get to show you this game though. So at least.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep, no problem. As always. Oh man.
Oh my god! It's like every time.
Yeah, this is why I don't know if I'm into like I'm not a fan of lag, you know.
Yep.
This made me feel like I don't feel like playing it often. Oh. I would like to play this game if there's no lag though.
Right.
Get out of here, damn snipers.
Hi.
Mm-hmm.
Night guy. Yep.
Alright, sure.
Oh god. These guys.
I hate those guys.
Yeah, I don't like those jetpack guys.
Ah!
Oh my god!
I think we should just
lag.
I think we should stop playing this game in a few minutes, bro. Because I think I'm actually tired of lag, you know.
Sure.
Yeah. Or unless you want to keep doing this like another half hour of lagness, or.
I'm good.
Okay, so yeah. We'll stop like after a few minutes, bro. I'll let you know.
Okay.
Yeah, I am not enjoying the lag right now at all.
Oh my god, it's just so often.
I know, right? Yeah, that's why I say we should call this.
I know, right?
I'm really tired of the ear rape. I'm tired of like getting attacked by muffins. Ah, hurts my ears. Even though I put low volume, it's still loud.
Right. Well, let me see my volume. Hold up.
I mean, you have headphones, so it's different.
Right. My tattoo is still loud.
Yep. It doesn't make sense. Oh my goodness, this, yeah.
Yeah, I'm tired. Oh my god.
Yeah, we'll call it soon, bro.
Stupid lag.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna reset.
We can buy ammo boxes here.
Oh, look.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, I guess. Yeah.
I didn't know that. Wait. Oh.
Incoming, bro. Missiles ahead of you.
Alright. Yeah, you can refill like 10 times. Ammo box.
Got it. Risking it. Ha!
Oh my god, there's so many!
Ah! Damn it.
These jetpack guys.
Ugh.
Oh, yep, oh my god.
Oh, dang. He's trying to destroy you, bro, with the rockets.
Yep.
How are you holding up? Oh, are you still alive?
Oh, no, I'll be back.
Oh.
That's crazy!
I know. Oh my god, these guys. God damn, these guys are crazies.
Oh, I got him! So far away.
Nice.
Okay, I'm playing.
Okay, how about after this round, bro, I'll stop the video.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I'm actually at my limit, bro, with these lagness.
Okay.
Don't you feel the same?
Same, bro. Like,
Oh, okay, good.
it's not a game when there's lag, literally.
Yeah, it's more likely labor lag. I think I'll just turn up the loudness.
Ow!
Oh.
Oh my!
Oh, sorry. I thought
These
you were like
jetpack guys.
Shit, man.
Are they okay or like, damn? And we have enough of those jetpack guys too. That's why I want to quit. Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah, the minigun is not good in this game. It's inaccurate, bro. That aim. You tried it, or?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Not that great though.
Yeah, it's not like good. Yeah.
Can't compare like GTA 5, you know, the minigun.
Right. And there's lag too, so this doesn't make any. There's no point.
Yep.
Minigun.
Yeah, screw that.
Oh my!
I'm definitely gonna put that title, bro, like earwave, like warning version. Cause I feel like I'm gonna get like some haters for that. They're gonna hate you. They're gonna hate the videos and say, "Oh, it's so loud. You damaged my earplugs, Ranjo, or something." I don't want those complaints from fans. The fans gonna be like that. Okay.
Yep.
Is that the last one? Oh, lag.
Lag. Wait, we didn't even shoot and it's lag? What? It's
Okay,
just me?
we're done.
Or...
We're done.
Where do we shoot? And there's lag. Okay.
Yeah.
Mixed. What kind of game is this?
Ugh. We already know what this game is, so we're good. Oh, what? I'm still lagging. The hell?
Yeah, I'm done. I'm out.
Oh yeah, I'll go do the intro. So I'll do it quick, guys. So that was fun and crazy at the same time, right, Ray?
And laggy.
Yep. Fuck yeah, man. I hate the freaking lag. It's crazy. And yeah, I can see you're still lagging too, right? Or
I'm just out. I quit. I left.
Oh, hey, it says you're still in the game for some reason.
What? I'm not. Alright, that's huge lag right there.
Yep, okay, screw it. I'm leaving. Okay, I'm done. Oh. Okay, yep. Like I said, guys, fun and crazy at the same time. And
Yep.
I guess it's fun, but yeah, I'm sorry if you guys have like damaged ears or something. If you have like 100% volume max, I'm sorry about that. I mean, it's not my fault to blame, but if it's like that.
Oh boy. Imagine 100. Oh my god, that'll be like. Oh.
Oh, imagine if someone used like headphones, bro. That's ear rape.
Yep. If they have 100, oh my volume.
Oh, you said yours is like two volume and still loud.
Yeah, it's still loud, dude.
Right? Damn, that's crazy. I think my eardrums are, it's a beating. It took a beating, hearing those explosion. It's like the loudest game we ever played,
Right.
It's crazy, but yep.
And Roblox said you're still in the game.
Seriously? No, I'm not.
That's weird. Am I in the game or?
Oh, I left.
What does it say for me?
Oh yeah, it still says you're in. Wait, what the hell? Am I tripping or something?
Am I tripping?
The fuck?
Hold up. I even like exit Roblox and then come back in and let's see.
Oh man.
Oh now you're not in. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Same with you, bro. You turned like just online. So yep, we're done, guys. So yep, we're gonna stop the video, right, bro? Yeah. Yep, that was fun. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys and peace out.